Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is just a continuation of my previous video of Sharp Island. And this time we're going to discover the amazing view of Sharp Island and the hidden historical treasure in this place. So let's start hiking guys and explore what's inside.
Paru-paru G. O, paru-paru G kayo. Ewan ko, bakit meron sila. Ang ganda! Sharp Island! Sharp Island! Say hi! Sus, busy sa pagpipicture. Hi kayo! Hi! Welcome to Sharp Island! Welcome to Sharp Island! Yay! Wow, tatalon tayo. Exciting. We're going to Lighthouse. Lighthouse. Where is Lighthouse? One is a lighthouse. Coastering kami guys. Uy, madulas yung bato. Dulas ang bato. Ng bato. here at the lighthouse. Lighthouse, guys. Yan ang lighthouse.
O, sige na. Daday doon yung isa.
Okay, Dave, okay, Dave.
Oh, hindi na tayo, kasi hindi na tayo babalik dito. Ah, 1, 2, 3! Woo! Ah.
Ayun ang tinalunan ko doon sa may ano.
Oh, ikaw pa din. Tatalong ka kasi hindi nakuha yun sa'yo.
Ha?
Hindi nakuha.
Hindi naman.
Woo! Yan. Kukunin ko na. Ah, sige na. 1, 2, 3! Woo! Oh, ikaw din. Ah, yan. Sige, sige. Bongbong Marcos ka. Oh, manguras ka pa. Manguras, manguras. Manguras pa daw siya. Oh, pangurasan na. Oh, manguras. Ah, dede. 1, 2, 3! Yan. Malinaw yung tubig. Masarap.
Sarap? Sarap lumalong, be.
Yay! Ayan. Basta nagsimula na sila magtalon, magtatalon na lang sila hanggang mamaya niyan. Hindi na yan sila titigil.
Gandang hindi mo
Ano, tatalon pa?
Ako na, nagano na ilong ko. Tara na, at baka may pulis.
Isa, takot na takot sa play. Ah, sige pa!
Utang na mahal ng penalty. Kaya nga eh. Alam ako hindi siya
Ayan na.
ganun malalim.
Hindi siya ganun malalim, pero hindi kaabot. Mukha lang siyang mukha lang siyang hindi malalim, pero hindi kaabot. Maganda nga yung tubig, oh. Ang ganda ng tubig. So, subukan ko mga bag front. Oh, dyan na yung ano mo! Si Ben kasi magaling dyan eh. Magaling siya. Oh, dyan mo. Ayan mo.
Wait lang. Oh.
Tuloy ko lang. Di ba ganito kalalim yung sa may lagon? Doon nag-ano ako, front dive. Front dive.
The Sharp Island Light is the third lighthouse to stand nearly 3 miles south-southwest from the southern end of the Tillman Island in Maryland's Chesapeake Bay. The structure is best known today for evoking the Leaning Tower of Pisa, a condition caused by the ice flow in 1977. The first lighthouse was built on Sharp Island in 1838. But due to the island's erosion, it was moved in 1848. This was replaced with a screw pile lighthouse in 1866 near the original location of the first structure. The second lighthouse lasted until 1881 when it was forced off its foundation by an ice flow. It floated nearly 5 miles down the Chesapeake with its keeper still inside, until it ran aground, allowing the men to escape unharmed. The Sharp Island Light was listed in National Register of Historic Places on July 22, 1982. It is one of the many historic features along Captain John Smith Chesapeake National Historic Trail. It is also the Lighthouse Digest Doomsday List of the Endangered Lighthouses, As of 2006, the lighthouse was candidate for sale under National Historic Lighthouse Preservation Act. It was deactivated in January 2010.
Yeah, we've been there at that lighthouse.